Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, after being open for only 2 days, NCB Capital Markets advised that the offer for QWI Investments closed on Wednesday, September 18th at 8:30 a.m., more than a week before the expected closing date of September 30. Details of the allotment are expected in the coming days. QWI, a joint venture between Jamaican Teas and KIW International, is an investment fund that's offering investors participation in its investment portfolio. It is heavily weighed in Jamaican equities, but is expected to build out into international equities and real estate. Its shares were offered to the general public at a price of $1.35 and to certain reserve share applicants at a price of $1.25. On the money market, the Bank of Jamaica opened applications Wednesday for the allotment of 10 billion of BOJ CDs. The offer was oversubscribed with a total of 49 bids, received totaling $22.8 billion. This bid yields ranged from 1.089% to 3.5%, but only 19 bids were successfully yielded on average 1.44%, with the highest rate for full allocation being 1.54%. In the bond market, 10-year U.S. Treasury yields fell by 6 basis points to trade at 1.84% from increased demand. This followed an attack of 2 Saudi Arabian oil facilities on the 14th of September, which caused a 5.7 million barrel decrease in global oil levels, a decline of 5%. The added geopolitical risk has caused investors to be risk-off. Amid recession and slowing global growth concerns, the European Central Bank decided to cut interest rates by 10 basis points to 0.5% on September 12. They have also embarked on a stimulus program, which includes the government buying back 21.9 billion euro-dominated bonds every month until it is deemed no longer necessary. In the Caribbean, Costa Rica is expected to raise 1.5 billion in the global bond market in order to offset its high government deficit. The details of this have not yet been released, but the price of their 4.5% 2023 bonds have increased year to date from $87.85 to $98, with a commensurate drop in yield from 8.48% to 4.9%. Contact your VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.